The time is now 6:45. Take a look at this video. This is from April of 2024 when Rock Hill was slammed by a hailstorm that left more than $5 million in damage across the area. You can see just how intense that storm was and the size of that hail. Today, as part of Severe Weather Preparedness Week, we're helping to boost your hail IQ.
That's right. Chris walks us through how hail forms, why it can be so destructive, and what to look out for during storms here in the Carolinas.
Every year we do something like this, saying that this is how hail forms, going up and down above the freezing level. But this year we're going to do something different. This year we're doing some hail math, where I'm going to show you why a hailstone this size, about the size of an egg, is actually 20 times more destructive than the size of a quarter. When we reference hail, we're comparing it to everyday objects. Most of the hail that we see here is pea size, or a quarter of an inch. Hail that's 3/4 of an inch is penny size, 1.75 inches is golf ball size, and 2.75 inches is baseball size. Where over the past 10 years, the Carolinas have had over 2,400 hailstorms report over penny-size hail. For our hail math, we're going to compare a hailstone that's 1 inch in diameter to one that's about 2 inches in diameter. Let's crack the numbers. This may look scary, but hear me out. This is the formula for volume. This R cubed is what we're going to focus on, mainly just the 3. This shows that if we double the size of a hailstone, it contains 8 times more ice. So for simple math, 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. But 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So the heavier something is, the more force it causes. Even a small increase in hail size can significantly increase the destructive power. A hailstone that's the size of a quarter is considered severe. That would trigger a severe thunderstorm warning. That hailstone will fall to the ground at roughly 45 to 50 miles per hour. The 2-inch hailstone is 20 times more destructive and it falls at 65 to 70 miles per hour. Larger hail is most common from April to June in the Carolinas, with May being the peak month. The largest hailstone to ever fall in the Carolinas was 4.5 inches wide. That's about the size of a CD. That's happened 13 times, 8 in North Carolina, 5 in South Carolina. A hailstone that large will fall to the ground at about 100 miles per hour, and it has 400 times more destructive power than the one that triggers a severe thunderstorm warning. I'm meteorologist Chris Mulcahy with WCNC Charlotte. So I know it was a lot of numbers, but what I want you to take from that is that a hailstone about this size,
yes,
it's the same egg, it's been in the fridge, don't worry about it, is causing 20 times more damage than this. But then if you compare these, that's a 400 times difference in the amount of damage it's going to do to your car, to the siding. And the fact that we've done this size, where's the egg? It's about to roll off, sorry. There, I'll let you hold this. The fact that we've done this 13 times across the Carolinas means that, especially heading over the next 3 months, that there's always a possibility that we could see what happened in Rock Hill or worse. So that's raising your weather IQ. Stay weather aware.
And you said that one falls at 100 miles an hour?
100 miles per hour. This one, about 45. What you have in your hand is upwards to about 70. Wow. It's really an exponential increase. As hail gets larger, the more damage and the more dangerous it can become.
Half the people at home are wondering, what are you holding in your hand?
Right. And we were like, what is that
It's
thing?
a CD.
Yeah. That's the sad thing. I was like, oh, compact disc, you know. Just like my
Yes.
Blu-ray is at home. But yeah, no, hail is one of those things that people often overlook. But when you're talking about this size and 100 miles per hour, it catches people's attention.
Even the size of an egg is a lot.
Even small. I mean, it doesn't take a lot, or it doesn't even take it to be that big to make big damage.
Right.
All right.